Good morning, all of you. I'm Yash Kachhawa from St. Wilfred Institute of Engineering and Technology, and this is my second video on my training project, Tall Building and its Design. So in this video, we are going to apply seismic load on our building. So let's start. First, we have to assign seismic load. So we go to Define menu and Load Patterns. Here we have to add seismic load. For seismic load, we will use code of Indian Standard IS IS 1893 2002. Then add new loads. Then we will modify the load by modify later load. Here we will fill the value according to the Indian Standard code and the location of the building. This building is constructed in Bangalore, so we'll use all the detail according to that. So here first we have to select only x and y direction, or these are for eccentricity if any was there. This is load factor for our building. It lies in blue zone, so we will use 0.1 seismic zone factor here. Then our site type is second, so we'll use second one here. Importance factor will use 1 according to Indian Standard Code. We'll select program calculation. For response reduction factor, we'll consider the code, and according to that, according to our site, it will be 4. Now we'll click on OK. Now our load is ready to assign, then OK again. Now we have to apply our load on the building, so we'll go to load and combination. Here all the loads that we applied was shown. Now we just have to press OK. The seismic load will apply it automatically. Then OK. Now the seismic load is already applied on our building. Now we have to again analyze our building to find what the load is doing with our structure. In this case, we don't need wind load consideration, so we will select the wind load and click on do not run. Now we'll run our analyze only on seismic load, dead load and live load. Now run analysis. It will take a little bit time to process. Now all the deformation is shown in the 3D model, as you can see. It will showing the deformation that each and every slabs and beams taking due to the load conditions. Now we have to see the members are capable to bear load or not, so that's why we go to design menu and concrete frame design and start design/check. Here each and every beam is going to check. Here we can see 4 members are failed, so we already selected the dimensions, so we can press yes and it will take the bigger dimension section. for the failed one. As you can see, it's been processed. This process may take a little bit time, but we have to repeat it again and again until we are safe. Now we get all the readings and loads applied on our structure. Now we'll again check that any member is failing or not. So we have to again go to design, concrete frame structure, and view all member passed. So we'll get all concrete frame passed in the design check. So here it is. Our structure is safe and seismic also. We can also see movements and shear force here, just like we can see shear force diagram of each and every member. As you can see, here it is, shear force of each and every beam and column. We also can see movement. Here it is, the bending moment diagram. Okay, you can also see shear force stresses. Here is the section of first story second story. We can also apply it on 3-story building in 3D model, 3-story 3D model. As you can see, the color is representing the forces that was applied. So our building is 80% of green color, so it will be safe in when load is going to apply. As you can see, here is the table that indicate the severity of load. As you can see, red, purple, this one is heavy load, so we have to redesign if this will occurs. So that's all about this seismic load. So thank you for watching my video.